So we're here today because my clients were looking for that turnkey property. However, the turnkey and the price tag weren't really matching. We found a property off market for well below the budget, and we negotiated a contract getting creative to help them offset the cost to do their home their own way. We're going to demo the entire kitchen and remodel that. And in the family room, as we put down the hardwood floors, we're going to be redoing the entire fireplace. Currently it's stone and they want to make it a more modern look, so we're going to be doing reclaimed wood over there. He's a smart guy right here. You guys having fun? Having fun? What is happening? Do you see all this stuff? It's completely destroyed. So what are we doing? We're doing all kinds of stuff. I had to completely destroy their homes so that I can completely make it beautiful again. And the end result is going to be fabulous. They're here.
Hello.
Welcome.
How are you? Thank you, thank you, thank you.
Good to see you.
Thank you.
Good to see you. Are you ready?
Yes, we're ready.
Okay.
Gosh.
Oh, wow.
Oh my gosh, it's so gorgeous.
But before it was just so much of a traditional feel.
Yeah, very
You
much
walked
so.
in and it was that oak cabinetry with the
Yep.
light flooring and just very traditional with
Yeah.
the stone fireplace. And you really just made it very modern.
I just think it looks very welcoming.
You got your chalkboard wall here.
Yes!
What are you gonna write?
Nothing.
Nothing? You're gonna leave it blank? What do you
write
think?
your name?
You see the hardwoods and
Like nothing.
it's all nice and open.
Wow.
Talk about a party. You can party, no party.
Yes.
You think that?
I love it. I think it looks great. I think
does.
it looks good.
When we first started, you weren't considering a project. You were like, we have to find the house with the white kitchen and the dark floors. And then we found
Exactly.
this off market, knowing what the final outcome of this and what you could have purchased that was already kind of turnkey. Would you have changed anything, or would you have still done it
No,
this way?
I would not. I would not have changed a thing. I think because there's something about being able to make it your own that just makes it really special, makes you want to be here, you know, for a lifetime.
So do you feel like this is going to be the house where everyone hangs out?
Yes, I think my husband will be doing a lot of cooking, and David will be doing a lot of entertaining with his friends, and I probably will be pouring a lot of wine, because that's what I do best.
What kind of cooking and wine are we talking about? For this project, we really opened up the space. It was important to get the entire main level matching and flowing well for entertainment. So we opened up the curtain walls. We made sure that the entire space flowing from the family room to the kitchen really matched by putting the reclaimed wood on the fireplace and removing the stone for the more traditional look, and putting that same stuff in the kitchen. We redid the entire kitchen with new kitchen cabinets, new quartz, new backsplash, new appliances, got rid of the double wall oven and put in the 6-burner range, which you've seen and are excited about. We refinished the hardwood floors, replaced hardwood floors where there was none, and really brought the entire space together. This was a fun project. I'm ready for my next one, and we hope to see you there.